March 23rd, 2024, 6:09 p.m. Here's so right now we see is 73.7. I'm going to put this behind my head and we're going to see what happens here. Trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So right, it's burning me back here. Let's see if it goes up. Now microwaves can go through mirrors. It can go through anything. I can feel the heat in one spot in the back of my skull, the right side, the lower right side. The occipital center, the occipital lobe, your vision center is in the back of your head. So when somebody's hitting you with a microwave, it's going to affect your eyes. So on the right side, it's going to affect my left eye. I'm mainly feeling it right over here. I don't feel it on the other side. I'm going to see what the temperature changes now. .4.